Hello, it's Paul Driscoll here, aka the Drisk, and I thought we'd continue with our fantastic look at the Amiga platform. So in the part one, we went up to letter E. Part two, we went up to the letter M, kind of letter M. I had decided to treat Monkey Island 2 as part of Secret Monkey Island, so I'll put it with that. Playing it briefly, you may be surprised some of the ones I missed off in the previous one, like Loom, and they are very good. I mean, K240 is very, very good, but these take a long time to sort of play. But yeah, I'd certainly recommend them, put it that way. But we're going to go from the letter N, and we'll see how far we go, really, because there's a lot of still amazing games to cover. So let's have a look. So first of all, we got Nebulus and Nebulus 2. So let's try Nebulus and give that a play. This was quite impressive back in the day. I think in America it's known as Castilius. But it was very impressive. Very impressive back in the day. But it's let's see if I can get a little bit further. I mean, amazing 3D. Oh, how do I shoot? Oh, maybe I can't shoot them. Okay. Let's try again. Oh my word. It's a bit annoying. Right, okay, go a bit better. A bit better. See, actually, I didn't need to go under. I should have gone the other way, shouldn't I, really? Right. Oh, come on. Yeah, I mean, even back in the day, I was never. Oh, there's a gap there. I was as impressed as I was from a technical standpoint. You know, it looked wow. I was never too much of a fan of this game. Oh my word. Alright, let's do it again. Okay, game on. So we go through here, go under there, up. Oh my word. You see, you can't really shoot. It doesn't look like you can shoot that thing. I'll try one more. Okay, where are we? There we go. That ball is annoying me. Right, one more go, and then that's it. I'll let you decide. Rock hard game. Certainly impressive. Technically. No, I think I'm done. I never did quite get on with that, but I felt I ought to shout out. Nebulus 2, I know people kind of like this one as well. Sort of more of the same, but let's see. Blah blah blah. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Oh my god, so you can't go in that green goo, okay. So what am I supposed to do then? Okay, let's keep going. Oh, was that a lift? No. Okay. Oh, maybe I need to shoot things. Let's see. Okay. Oh my word. Yeah, you know what? No, Nebulus games are never for me, but I'm glad I shouted them out briefly because they are a favourite of some people. Like that, but not on the Amiga. Which one's that? Night Dawn. No, not very good. Well, it's obscure. Onslaught. Don't remember that one particularly. Paradroid. Let's play that one briefly. I was never a fan of this one either, but it is well regarded. This is of course an Andrew Braybook game. Very talented programmer. He's the one that did the a lot of the home ports of Rainbow Islands. Oh no. I say I never really got on with Paradroid. But again, let's just show you here. I felt it needs to be shouted out. Nah, not for me, but shouted out nevertheless. Let's go on. Now, Pegasus. This is one that I do have fond memories of, and I'm hoping it will keep as. So it's part shooter, part platformer. All fun though. Oh dear. Look at the animation on the horse. Very good. Oh, Pegasus, I should say. Flying horse. It's a really quite a solid little horizontal shooter, really. I want to get to. Oh dear. Right, there we go. Oh dear. Let's keep getting those diamonds. I don't know what I can't remember what they do now. Okay, we can get a better weaponry at least. Dear oh dear. Dear oh dear. Oh. We get in the land. This is on the second bit of the game. I'll say it's quite. Both sections play quite well, really. Oh, I think that's a shop, isn't it? Oh no, game over. That's it's a bit disappointing. Okay, let's see where we are. At least one there. Just keep getting the. Okay. And it's one of those games that even in Amiga circles, people don't really. Oh my word! Gosh darn it! Right, people don't really talk about this game, and it's a shame because I think it's quite. It's got nice graphics. Pretty good gameplay. Ooh, there we go. Here we go. Right, just want to get through the level. And it's sort of this should take us back on Pegasus again. Horizontal. Dear. Game over. Anyway, I think that gives people a sense of the game. Very good one. Pegasus deserves to be played by more. Then we come to the Pinball Dreams. Now, these are brilliant. Now, of course, when you bought the game, it was all the tables and you could choose, but understandably, they've separated the tables into different sections. So you've got steel wheels, beatbox, and ignition. So I'm going to go in the order of the tables. This was a big deal on its release. So not one of the best tables in the set. Ah! Okay, let's launch again. This tended to be, the table one was like the faster table, the more simplistic. Oh! Okay, I'm gonna quit there. It's not my favourite table, it's probably the weakest one. Let's go and have a look here. So you've got Nightmare. Nightmare is probably my favourite table. Let's show you Nightmare. This is table 4. Well, you can do tilt as well. Now I know this appeared on the on the snares and things like that, but the Amiga was its home, and it even on GOG the DOS version was so disappointing. Great music. Oh, see, already I'm finding my home on this one. This is probably so much nostalgia playing this one again. Ugh. Oh, scared stiff. Let's see how far I can get on the one life. Oh, more. Gosh darn it. Let's get the last one. Oh dear, it should be game over now. There you go. But you can see, absolutely a lot of fun. And then you've got the other tables. There is steel wheels and beatbox. So I'll show you each of those, just one life on each. So this is like setting up railways across the United States. Oh my word. At the time, this was so, because you didn't really have anything that felt realistic of video pinball. And Pinball Dreams just did that in spades. It was just amazing. It felt like you had your own pinball table. Very good physics for the time. Oh my word, ouch. It's a good job I'm bad at it, otherwise you'll spend all day watching me play. So that's good out of that. And then we'll do the last one, which is beatbox. This is where you're setting up a track to get in the charts. Is the idea with this one? probably my second favourite on Pinball Dreams is a table. This and Nightmare. Ah, decibel overload. Right, let's keep going. Oh. Gosh darn it. Oh, there you go. There you go. So they're the 4 tables on Pinball Dreams. So that was like the first game that they released. Then you had Pinball Fantasies. What was that table? Oh, that's a Nightmare table. Okay, yeah. Then you had Pinball Fantasies. And these were 4 more tables. Easier to see with the number of tables there. So let's have a look at Parkland is probably my favourite of the track of the sequel. You can see for the sequel they did so much more. Oh my word. That's alright. Launched. Yay! Such an accomplished table, this. So many nuances to it. Puke. Ah. Okay. So that's Partyland, that's table 1. Table 2 is a simpler one, but a lot of fun. This is oh, it's on the racetrack. Boom, boom, boom. Great music. Oh. Ooh. Ah! It's a good table, this as well. Yeah. We'll get another life. No. Okay, let's have a look at the table 3. Table 3 is oh yeah, the $1 billion game show. So yeah, all 4 of the tables are pretty good on the sequel. You know, it's better to use the shoulder buttons actually. Oh, just got over. So does it now? Okay. Yeah, much better using the shoulder buttons than the analog. Ah! Let's keep going. Oh! Oh my word. Oh my word. Damn it. Okay. Not very good at all. Press the wrong button. There you go. Okay, so done that one. That was table 3, and then lastly, table 4, which is Stones and Bones. Another sort of horror themed one. Not as good as Nightmare, in my opinion. What happened there? Damn the drain. Darn it. That'll do anyway. Oh, I keep pressing the wrong button. Right, okay, let's quit that. Okay, and then you got Pinball Mania, which they're also good. I'm not going to go through that. I just wanted to go through the main ones. They're the ones that most people remember. I'll show you this briefly just because it's an oddity. It's not a good game. It's not one that I would recommend, but if you want an obscure point and click game that you probably have never ever seen before, then this is of course based on Ed Wood's movie, the infamous movie, often cited as the worst film of all time. More money in it for than you've probably ever seen. Let's do Hunt. Okay. Okay, so that's that there. Talk to. Card up. Hey, I'm not going to play it, but needless to say, it's an interesting oddity. Not one but it's one that, you know, it's nice, and this is why I like when they do the obscure like this, because it shows, it gives it a place at home. Now this is one that I really enjoy, Prehistorik. It's not the greatest platformer in the world, but I have fond memories of it. I remember getting this as a demo cover disc and playing it to death, and was desperate to get the full game. So basically, you're a caveman and you're hungry, so you gotta bash the dinosaurs and bears and anything that you can eat. Scan the cave, jump. Very simple platform, but there's something compelling about it. Of course, you gotta be careful with the fire, else you'll lose them energy. Let's go up there. I really screwed that up, didn't I? There we go. So that's like a walkthrough, but bizarrely, if you go back in, then it's a different cave. So. Cute little platformer though. Getting lots of food. The word. Got an axe there. Oh, died. Never mind. Done pretty well for the. You see my food bar's pretty full. Oh, sugar. Definitely simpler times. Oh my word, that was a waste of a life. Time. Got a shield. Poor little guy's face. Not knew I wasn't going to survive it. Oh my word! I thought I was dead. Word. Lots of enemies there. Oh my word, that's a lot of. So extra life, that's rather nice. I'll just keep walking. There we go. Go up there. Lots of dinos in that cave. Oh my word! How many dinos are there in that cave? Oh my word, pig. Okay, that didn't work, did it? Okay, that's a fun game. Nobody ever talks about it. If you like your football, the Premier Manager, I don't, so I won't bother showing that. I will show you Project X. It's probably the next decent one to show you. Listen to this music. Oh, I could listen to that music all day, but I won't. I'll be good. This was Team 17's answer to horizontal shooters, just showing what the Amiga was capable of, really.
Destroy waves for power-ups.
Rock hard shooter.
Select nav. Speed up.
Oh my word.
Destroy waves for power-ups.
Oh my word. So rusty. Okay.
Destroy waves for power-ups.
Right.
Select now. Power up. Destroy waves for power-ups.
Don't know why I keep syncing the controller.
Select now for speed up.
Weird. Don't think
Select now.
Oh my word, I didn't see that rogue bullet. Oh, I could have done better with that, couldn't I? Was there an easy mode? Okay, let's try that.
Destroy waves for power-ups. Collect credits for bonus weapons.
Oh, stupid.
Power up. Destroy waves for power-ups.
Doing so well then. Such vicious hit detection on this.
Destroy waves for power-ups. Collect credits for bonus weapons.
Oh,
Now for homing missiles. Destroy waves for power-ups.
where did that come from? Oh my word.
Destroy waves for power-ups. Collect credits for bonus weapons. Select now for build-up. Collect credits for bonus weapons. Select now for placement. Laser beam.
Oh, those bloody bullets. Anyway, I wish I could be better and show you more, but that's Project X. Now this one is probably the next one I would recommend. This is actually a new game, actually, 2019, but my word, is it addictive. So it's an indie game, Reshoot-R. Nope, great music. Starts off very sluggish and you're thinking, oh my god, what have I got myself into? But get some power-ups and you start moving like a dream.
Speed up.
Oh. There you go. Really, really good. You've got Revelation. Don't really know that one. Fringe and Music Camels, not as good as Llamatron, but another Jeff Minter game, so well worthy to show. Just beautiful, trippy visuals, as Jeff Minter is so well known for. So you can sort of direct the shot. The goat is the assistant, computer controlled. Obviously you can play 2-player as well. Now, not as good as Llamatron, but it's a fun game. Remember, these were like public domain games. Well, that kills you. The camel is smoking a cigarette. Don't know what that does, but he is. Same, man. There you go. I'm going to quit out there, but that is the letter R. And I think we'll leave it there. We'll do another video a little bit later on the letter S. But yeah, there's an awful lot on the letter P and to R really. But so many more games to show you in the next one. I can't wait. So until next time, keep it retro.